This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elisha George Nelson. Fully fenced in, pet-friendly rental. Nestled within the gorgeous Panther Ridge Subdivision. 4-halves Cali model, built in 2019. Huge backyard. Tile in all of the living areas and carpet in the bedrooms. Stainless steel appliances. Laundry room with a washer and dryer included. Epoxy garage floors. Community pool access for you to enjoy all year round. Convenient location with easy access to highways, Kennedy Space Center, Port Canaveral, Cocoa Beach, and Orlando. This place will not last. Schedule your viewing today. For more information, review the details below.